Okay, 2026 AIME I Problem number 1. It's a word problem, so let's just read it. Patrick started walking at a constant speed along a straight road from his school to the park. 1 hour after Patrick left, Tanya started running at a constant speed of 2 miles per hour faster than Patrick walked, following the same straight road. I'm guessing they arrive at the same time? Yeah, they arrive at this. Oh, they arrive at the same time. Whatever. 1 hour after Tanya left, Jose started bicycling at a constant speed of 7 miles per hour faster than Tanya ran, following the same straight road from the school to the park. They all arrived at the same time. Distance from the school to the park is what we want to find. Okay, so Patrick started walking. Or first, we have the school here, we have the park here. I'm going to draw a little picture. We have them all going this same route. So basically, let's just represent this thing with the distance with d. And we know that d over Patrick's speed, let's call that p. You know, d over p takes a certain amount of hours. Let's call the number of hours s plus, or let's call that t plus 2. D over p takes t plus 2 hours, since Patrick takes 2 more hours than Jose. Next, we know that d over p plus 2 is equal to t plus 1, since this only took 1 more hour than Jose. They did the same distance, but Tanya was 2 miles per hour faster. Finally, we know that d over p plus 9 is equal to t, is just equal to t. Since Jose bikes 7 miles per hour faster than Tanya, so that's p plus 2 plus another 7, so it's p plus 9. They travel the same distance, and it's only t hours. And so we basically have 3 equations, 3 variables, and we kind of just have to bash and solve it. So let's just take these first 2 equations, and let's write them down here. I'll write the equations so they look better. So we have a system of 3 equations and 3 variables. D plus b is d plus 2. And we want to find d. Okay, so let's just take these first 2 equations. So this one becomes d equals pt plus 2p. This one becomes d equals pt plus 2t plus p plus 2. This one becomes d equals pt plus 9t. And so immediately we have on the left hand side that all of them are equal to d. So just really quickly, we can set this first one and the last one equal to each other, since I'm just choosing them because they're the smallest, so we can get some results, I guess, relatively quickly and don't have to deal with this gigantic whatever this is in the middle. So we get pt plus 2p is equal to pt plus 9t. pt's cancel. 2p is equal to 9t. And so this is really good equation, since we can now relate p and t to each other. And I'm just going to keep it in this form, since we can easily, like, p is equal to 9/2 t, or t is equal to 2/9 p. We don't know which one we want to substitute it in yet, so I'm just going to keep it like this. Now let's take, let's just take the first and second equation, so we try to see if we can make something out of that. So you get pt plus 2p equals pt plus 2t plus p plus 2. These 2 things cancel, and let's subtract the p over. We get p is equal to 2t plus 2. So now we have 2 equations in 2 variables, and this one we can pretty easily solve. So first, I'm just going to solve for t in terms of p. Or let's do it the other way. Let's solve for p in terms of t. P is equal to 9/2 t. So I'll just substitute that. 9/2 t equals 2t plus 2. 9t equals 4t plus 4. 5t equals 4t equals 4/5. And remember, we want to find d. So we now have t. So using that, we can find p. P is equal to 4/5 times 9/2. These 2 cancel, is 18 over 5. And now we want to find d. So let's just use this first equation. D is equal to pt, which is 18 over 5 times 4 over 5 plus 2p, plus 2 times 18 over 5. And so just simplifying this, we get 18 times 4, that is 40, 32, 72, plus 36 over 5. And so we want a common denominator, so I'm just going to multiply by 5. Get 72 over 25 plus, which is 180 over 25, equals 252 over 25. And this is the m over n that we want. So we have that d is this, which is m over n. I think it asks for m plus n. Yeah, m plus n. So let's go down. 252 plus 25 is 277, and that's our answer.